In this video, we listed the 5 best ABS 3D printer that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. FLASHFORGE Creator Pro 2. The FLASHFORGE Creator Pro 2 is a game changer when it comes to printing ABS filaments. A closed frame printer with an acrylic cover, which minimizes heat loss and keeps the chamber hot enough for printing ABS, this is easily our pick for the best ABS 3D printer. The Creator Pro 2 is an innovative IDEX printer, which in layman's terms means that it uses 2 independent extruders to fabricate designs. These extruders keep waste to a minimum with a leak-proof casing and flexible steel plate to avoid scratching models on removal. It comes with a range of printing options to satisfy every need, including mirror printing mode, duplicate printing mode, dual filament printing mode, and dual color printing mode. Number 2. QIDI Plus for 3D printer. The QIDI Technology X Plus 4 is a high-performance 3D printer designed for both professionals and beginners, featuring a large print size of 12 by 12 by 11 inches for increased efficiency by allowing multiple models to be printed simultaneously. It builds on the high-speed Core XY structure of its predecessor, the X Plus 3, and includes an upgraded second-generation active chamber heating system with 400W ultra-high heating power, air circulation design, and dual-layer insulation to maintain consistent chamber temperatures, reducing warping and cracking when using high-temperature filaments. The printer supports a wide range of materials, thanks to its 80W high-temperature hot end and multi-metal integrated throat nozzle, which can reach up to 370 degrees Celsius. This setup ensures faster installation and removal, minimizes clogging risks, and offers excellent wear resistance, making it suitable for diverse printing applications. User-friendly features include quick setup, remote printing, real-time progress tracking via the QIDI mobile app or QIDI Studio Slicer, HD camera for remote monitoring, time-lapse photography, and filament wrap and break detection to reduce waste. The Plus 4 is robust and durable, with an independent dual motor-driven Z-axis, a 6mm thickened aluminum hotbed platform, and upgraded linear shafts and lead screws for enhanced strength and precision. Additionally, it supports multicolor printing through an integrated filament cutter and is compatible with the upcoming QIDI Box multi-filament automatic feeding system, set to launch in early 2025. Number 3. Dremel 3D45 3D printer. The Dremel 3D45 is a highly regarded 3D printer, recognized with the PC Mag 2018 Editor's Choice Award and as a Google for Education partner. It features a robust design with a fully enclosed plastic build, offering a build volume of 6.7 inches by 10 inches by 6 inches for enhanced print quality, safety, and reduced warping. The printer includes a removable glass build plate that can be heated up to 100 degrees Celsius and an all-metal nozzle capable of reaching 280 degrees Celsius, facilitating versatile printing options. Compatible with Windows 7, 8, 8.1, 10, and Mac OS X version 10.9, the Dremel 3D45 is equipped with a user-friendly 5-inch full-color touchscreen for straightforward setup and operation, allowing users to start printing within 15 minutes of unboxing. Additionally, it incorporates built-in carbon and particulate filters for improved air quality during operation. The printer is black in color, made from ABS material, and weighs 42.8 pounds with dimensions of 18.75 inch dx23 wx 18.75 h. Number 4. Creality 5S1 Ender 3D printer. The Creality Ender 5 is a productivity powerhouse that proves ideal for businesses with time and power-saving needs. On average, this 3D printer saves around 60% of the time compared to contemporary printers and allows for much faster and more versatile printing options. The Ender 5 is an open-frame printer, nearly doubling its print volume compared to other models on our list here. To give you seamless models, the printer has an all-metal design featuring a durable cube frame and a dual-gear direct extruder with a uniform extrusion force of 80 N. The Creality Ender 5 doesn't disappoint in filament compatibility, as it works with a wide range of materials ranging from regular to high-temperature filaments including PLA, TPU, PETG, PC, ASA, HIPS, and the star of the day, ABS. Number 5. QIDI Q1 Pro 3D Printer. The QIDI Technology Q1 Pro 3D Printer is a high-performance device designed for precision and speed, featuring dual Z-axis motors and a lightweight Core XY system that allows for a maximum speed of up to 600 mm per second and 20,000 mm/s² acceleration. It supports a variety of materials including PLA, ABS, ASA, PETG, TPU, PA, PC, carbon fiber, and glass fiber, with a 350 degrees Celsius bimetal nozzle to accommodate diverse printing needs. The printer is equipped with advanced features such as full auto calibration, filament smart detection, and an active heating chamber temperature control system to enhance print quality and layer adhesion, particularly for materials prone to warping. It is user-friendly, allowing users to start printing within 10 minutes of unboxing, making it suitable for beginners, home use, and educational applications. Additionally, it includes a 1080p HD camera for real-time monitoring and time-lapse photography, with remote control capabilities via a mobile app. The printer is based on the open-source Kipper platform, offering custom optimization options. For improved safety and air quality, an optional activated carbon air filter can be added, which can be easily downloaded and printed from the official wiki. The printer's design emphasizes ease of use, efficiency, and versatility in handling various materials while ensuring a safer and more controlled printing environment.